Welcome to Kelo TV. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a website, and later on we convert it to app where we can publish it on App Store and we can make money from it. So don't forget to always subscribe to Kelo TV. Kelo TV is a place where we guide and we teach how to create an app and a website, game, so many kind of things you can learn online. So you can always come to Kelo TV if you're ready to, learn new skills. This Kelo TV channel is the best place for you. So let's dive into the video. So number one, you need ChatGPT and Blogger as well. Then later on, we go to App Creator 24. So this is the first what you need when you go to ChatGPT. This is the command prompt. Write full code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all code in one file for the text to speech app. So here is the reply. You can see that here is a complete text to speech app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all in one file. So you can now copy and paste this into HTML file and open it in your browser. So you don't need any coding knowledge. You have to follow me step by step. That is if you're ready to learn this, and you're going to also make money while you publish it on App Store. So this is the first code. All the CSS code, HTML, it's added in all these files. So you copy it, you go to Blogger, you create your blog. So this is what I created, and you go to theme after you have created. If you don't know how to create this, so simple, check my channel. You're going to see how to create. Then after you have learned how to do that, then you come to, after your blog has been created, this is where you go, theme. So it will take you here. Then you click here, you come to edit HTML. It's loading. So these are the code for the theme. The theme, that is the layout, the page of the design of the site. So what we do here, we're going to remove everything. And no, first of all you need to change, switch to generation. Okay, so switch without backup, that I can click. So here it will remove those code, the theme code. So this, now if you visit the site, you see that the site is just empty. So going to remove this as well. After we have switched, we have changed the theme, because now we have a new look. So then you paste this code, we copy from here. Now you put it here. So I have done that, but I'm just repeating so that you understand that's how to do that. So now you come here where you see save, you save it, save changes. Now you go here, you can see view block. Now we're going to see what has been designed for us. So as you can see, this is text to speech. So later this is the website, the blog website, and we'll convert it to an app. So don't forget that. So stay tuned as we are learning. So you can see this is text to speech. Let's try that and see it. So you see it's working fine. So but now we need to add some functionality so that it will work properly, and with some, some, maybe the user can be able to download the voice generated. The importance of creating of this is very important, because not everyone want to read. The world has changed. No one want to be reading, looking at text, much text that you'll be reading. So instead you can copy it and put it here, and you click speak, and it will read all the text, all the notes. So as you can see, the next step I followed was to ask to add some other functionality. So this is what it was now saying. Let me know if you want to add speed control, pitch control, uh, you know, pause and resume button and the rest. So I now said yes, add all the features, include download button. So it's now say great, and it went ahead to generate a new code. This is another, that is the advanced code. It has added everything you can see. So these are the code. Let me copy it. Then you go back here, you edit the HTML code, then you remove this and then you put the new one, which we got from ChatGPT, now saved. Now let's go back here, or you can still go back. It's the same process because I want to refresh, so no problem. So you can see it has been refreshed, and you can see this is the new. Now it's looking so fantastic, so nice. So as you can see, we put this and we ask to speak. So now the difference between this and the first one, this second one, the difference is that you can see there's uh, um, some settings which you can, you see I have increased the speed. Let me reduce the speed and then hide the pitch. You can see the voice has changed. You can see it's actually turning to, yes, slowly. That is if you don't want it to go faster. So at the same time you can see the download button. So you can see it's asking to allow. So let me allow, because so you can see it has allowed, and you can see the download button has appeared down here after we click here and it accepted. So here is the download button given. You can see it has been downloaded successfully. So okay, so now we have this. You can now dive into creation of the app. So for that you go to app creator 24. Okay, so you log in your details. So there's so many things you can do with this. Later on I will show you how to monetize this, the web page with Astera. You can put your banner from the top, the left, right, down, everywhere. You can add your code. So but if you're monetizing with AdMob, then there's no need for you to add any other code for ads. So as you can see, this is create new button here. So going to create the app. Okay, so it's okay, it's opening. So as you can see, this is the page. So now let me give the app name. So this is where you can make your money. Okay, so you put text to speech. Now you can select the logo from the gallery or you create yours. It's up to you. Make sure if you are looking for how to make money cool with this, you need to make it unique. Don't just put anyhow logo. So you have to create it yourself and also add description. Now I can dive in back here and ask ChatGPT, can you, okay, maybe I just put text to speech app, app description. So it's going to do that for us. Okay, so as you can see, he's writing the text to speech. So you can see hello, this one, that one. Okay, so let me copy it. Okay, you can copy it. Yes, so let me copy it. Okay, then I put it here in the description. We go, Okay, next. So here you can select anyone. You can do many changes as you want later on. So let me click empty and let's go. Okay, so here what you do, go to the section. If you're new, kindly follow it step by step. If you are not new, then you feel free to, okay, you can, okay, go with the HTML. Okay, I know I don't want this one. Okay, this one, enter directly HTML code, no, advanced. So here, so what I'm showing you, there's so many method one, you after creating it here, you can copy the link. That is, if you, there's two method, you can either use HTML directly, or you use a, a web method. So this is the HTML method, so understand that please. So if you want to go with the web, because we have, then you come here. But if you don't want to use the web app, you can use HTML. So meaning of the HTML, you only come back to here and copy the same code that we got from ChatGPT. Here you copy and you put it here. After you understand the same section, you go click create new section, then you go to HTML. So if you are coming here with HTML code, then there's no need for you to create this one. So because I created this one so that I will see what I am going to, make an app with. So that is the importance of it. So you need to know what you're doing before coming here. So now that we have seen it here, it's two options for us. Just uh, copy, delete this one, delete everything, then you put the new code. So since I'm not coming here with the HTML code, let's go with the one I want to show you. So let's go with the web. You copy the link, then I put the link, that is the URL here, then I put text to speech as well here. Okay, then save. Now we have our app ready. If you click here, it's going to convert our app. Our app has automatically been created. This is the description which we had it. So here you can see the download button. So but before then, let's get to the monetization. Now if you want to monetize this, you have to go here to the ads section. Here, if you need if you're new, you need to create an account on AdMob, because AdMob is the most good place, advanced and the best platform for you to make money. But you have to work by their rules and regulations. You have to work by their policies. So simple, their policies. You can't be making money by yourself with your app, because they are uh, going to know if you are the only one clicking on your app by yourself. They're going to know, so that you need to work by the policy. So after being published this app on any app store, then maybe you start promoting your app. There you get users. By then you'll be relaxed knowing you have somewhere money will be coming from. So here you have to put the AdMob part unit ID. That's if you're new, you'll not understand. First of all, you have to put all the hard unity based on the banner. This one is banner, as you can see. This is another one. As you can see, this is another one, and this is another one. You have to put all the code. You have to be creating based okay, by different names of the different art formats. So this one is video, rewarded video. You can see that. So After being put all this, you save it. After you save this, then you go back here. Okay, you come in here. So okay, I think from here, yes, you go down here. So you have to copy your AdMob Google App ID. This ID, all the creation of different types of banner that you'll be creating has the same app ID. So that's why you have to copy only one, then you put it here, you also save it. After you save these changes, then you can come back here, because all the things you saved has been into the app. So now it's time for you to download. When I click that download for the first time, I wanted you to see, but if you're uploading, you can't upload while you have not put your hard code into the app. First of all, you have to put the ads code into the app before you download and then upload in any of the recommended app store by AdMob. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be there to reply. And if you have any complaint, any complication about this, please get back to me. I will be here to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't always forget to share my video with your loved ones, so that they will also learn from you, from us as well. Thank you so much, and bye for now.